Happy Monday, everybody. I'm KHOU 11 Meteorologist Pat Cavlin here on Plus with your extended look at the forecast. We have a couple things to talk about. The good news, though, is that we're finally clearing things out. So tonight looks good and tomorrow looks nice as well. But we're not done with the rain for the week. That will come back by Wednesday night and stick around getting into Thursday and Friday. Tonight, though, the big story is the temperature. 37 is your low, so bundle up if you plan on being out tonight if you're working third shift. Keep that in mind. We could see some patchy frost even well north of the city, places like Conroe, the usual cold spots up towards Livingston. And then for tomorrow night, Tuesday night, not as cold, still really brisk though, low 40s. And then some warmer weather comes in briefly for the middle of the week. That will come with rain chances though. Again, that's Wednesday night getting into Thursday. It is December finally. December 1st marks the first day of meteorological winter. Meteorological winter, of course, just the 3 months of the year that mark the coldest temperatures. So it starts December 1st and goes through March 1st. And then March 1st is meteorological spring. So our temperatures do continue to trend downward through the end of the month, low 60s, mid 40s for your respective high and low temperatures. Here's the good news, though, if you're not a fan of this time of year. Obviously, the shorter days can be a killer sometimes. 5:21 your sunset tonight. By the end of the month, instead of losing daylight, we actually start to gain daylight. So we start to move in the other direction by the end of the month. There's the good news. Sunset by December 31st, 5:32 p.m. A lot of clouds out there still. We do clear things out overnight. Only got to 47 today. And that was after 1:30 this morning. So last night was our high temperature of 47. We pretty much stayed steady in the mid 40s all day long with the rain and with the cloud cover. 68 is our normal high temperature, 48 is the normal low. So our high temperature today was colder than our typical wake-up temperature in the morning, just to put things into perspective for you. We do get a little bit warmer tomorrow, but a cold start. Again, a lot of us in the 30s by Tuesday morning. And again, I do think we'll see a couple of low and mid 30s, maybe some patchy frost across our far northern areas. Mid 30s, though, along the I-10 corridor, so still cold pretty much everywhere you go. And look at this, we'll see upper 30s going all the way down towards coastal Brazoria and Matagorda counties. The silver lining here, though, is the sunshine coming back. Finally, we cleared things out tonight. Tuesday looks great. Lots of sun. That's the pick day of the week. We'll see temperatures top out probably somewhere in the mid to upper 50s. Don't get used to it, though. Rain returns. We're back to the cloudy weather, and that will mean cold temperatures as well. Highs are going to be at or just below normal here all the way through the end of the week, getting into the weekend. Doing any traveling tonight, keep in mind Chicago racking up the delays with snow. LaGuardia has 30-minute delays. Everybody else, though, Bush, Hobby looking good, so you should be fine. Travel trouble spots for tomorrow will pretty much squarely only be in the northeast, with a big nor'easter dropping heavy snow for the interior, heavy rain at the coast, and then it'll go all the way down towards the Carolinas. For Wednesday, it's a couple snow showers maybe through Denver. Chicago could cause some issues. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, though. And then heavy rain and storms through New Orleans may cause some issues there in the morning, but otherwise we do start to trend a lot quieter across the country by the middle of the week. Just a few showers out there now. The heavy rain, though, from earlier now moving east where it's cold enough, it's snow, and that cold air wraps in behind the system tonight. So it's a late clearing, probably around midnight, and then turning colder than what it is. Overnight temperatures drop to the 30s. High pressure finally arrives back here again on Tuesday, and for the first time in days we get sunshine. It'll be warmer but still chilly. So I mean, look, anything's warmer than the mid 40s. We'll only be in the mid 50s though for tomorrow. That's still about 10 to 15 degrees colder than where we should be for this time of year. And then as fate would have it, clouds are back on Wednesday. Another coastal low developing here. And so clouds come back in with late day rain on Wednesday. So let's time it out for you. Any showers out there this evening, wrap up. Tomorrow, beautiful day, lots of sunshine, temperatures into the mid 50s, not a cloud in the sky, no rain. That's going to be your outdoor day. As we get to Wednesday, it's a cloudy day for the majority. I would say anytime after lunch, so 2 to 3 p.m., shower starts to develop across the area. That becomes a pretty widespread, steady soaking rain. I think Wednesday night getting into Thursday. So just keep that in mind. Wednesday evening plans may be a little dicey, but at least the first half of Wednesday should be fine. A lot warmer as well, with high temperatures in the upper 60s. So Wednesday is when the rain chances come back. They stick around into Thursday. into Friday as well. So a string of rainy days coming up here for the middle and the end of the week. Good news though, Saturday and Sunday looking really nice here as sunshine returns to the forecast. But there's the Thursday storm system. Again, it's a coastal low. So we're still not exactly sure how far north that rain will come. I mean, it could be similar to today where a lot of the heavy rain stayed offshore. That would be great. But we need the rain, so we'll take what we can get at this point. Bottom line though, it's cloudy, it's gloomy, it's dreary. Temperatures back into the low 60s for Thursday. And then that trailing boundary just kind of keeps those rain chances in play for us on Friday. So it's still off and on showers, off and on rain. I don't think it's a big thunderstorm threat for us. And again, some of that heavier rain may stay just offshore, but it's just unsettled getting all the way through the end of the week. If you're traveling tomorrow, boy, oh boy, what a mess in the Northeast. Again, very heavy snow there in that bluish purple color. And then at the immediate coast, just warm enough where it's not snow, but just heavy rain from Boston through New York, Philly, DC, and Richmond. Snow showers also wrapping around here from the lakes. Cleveland and Pittsburgh may run into some issues for your Tuesday. Across the southeast, again, heavy rain, chilly temperatures up towards Charlotte. A couple showers and storms through Jacksonville and Tampa, maybe even up towards Tallahassee. Clearing and colder behind this, though, through the Mississippi Valley from Little Rock, getting down towards New Orleans, only in the mid-30s for high temperatures in Nashville. Across our state tomorrow, weather looks pretty nice. Lots of sunshine, 56 the high here in Houston, upper 40s for Dallas, mid to upper 60s through West Texas. That'll be some of the best weather in the country. 30s for Kansas City, Springfield, St. Louis, 20s for high temperatures in Chicago. So the cold weather is really starting to settle in across the Great Lakes, and then just cloudy weather here across the upper Great Plains. Back west, not bad here either. A couple snow showers to the mountains. Otherwise, though, Denver, Salt Lake look fine. Beautiful in Phoenix, 70 with sunshine. Mid-60s, mix of sun and clouds here for San Francisco and LA. And finally, in the Intermountain West, a lot of snow coming down here through Boise, or not through Boise, rather, through Idaho, getting up towards Spokane and Washington, and through parts of Montana. Windy but dry for the most part in Seattle, maybe a couple showers in Portland, high temperatures in the 30s and 40s. All right, back here at home tonight, clearing and cold. Patchy frost farther north, 39 in the Heights, 38 for Montrose, 39 for Bel Air, 37 Inwood Forest, 39 for East Haven. I think we'll do 38 for Dyersdale and Atascocita. 40 for Seabrook near the bay. 37 Alameda, same for Tomball, Cypress, Addicts. 39 for Mission Bend. It's areas up here, Livingston, Huntsville, Navasota, even Conroe. I think that number for Conroe is too high. I think we'll do low and mid 30s up here, especially as the wind starts to relax. And then upper 30s even as you go south into Brazoria and Matagorda counties, mid 40s for Galveston. Tomorrow, sunny, chilly, not as cold. Temperatures actually get back into the mid and upper 50s. I think we'll do 55 for Conroe, 56 here in the city, 55 for Galveston, upper 50s from Angleton to League City, and back through Palacios with tons of sunshine on the way. All right, 7-day forecast looks like this. So again, it's brisk but sunny for tomorrow, 56 your high temperature. Clouds return for Wednesday, and so does the warmth. 68 your high temperature. Rain comes in towards the end of the day, continues into Thursday. We're a bit cooler as well. 61 as your high temperature. 58 then your high temperature for Friday, with showers continuing. Good news though, beautiful weather arrives by Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures getting back close to 70 degrees. And then a mix of sunshine and clouds by next Monday, with high temperatures staying at or just slightly below normal in the mid 60s. So the days you got to look out for will be Wednesday evening, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures staying at or just below normal for those days as well. That's a look at your forecast here. Coming up at 10 o'clock, we'll have an update on the latest with these rain chances for the end of the week, and also the latest temperature forecast for tomorrow morning. That and your latest headlines coming up on the KHOU 11 News at 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.